Hello everybody, my name is Jamie Carolina Velasco Lopez. I'm a student of Licenciatura en Lenguas Extranjeras con énfasis en inglés. Today I'm talking about dialects and I'm going to define it and give some examples. All the information in this diapositive have taken by the bibliography that we have to use for this unit. Okay, let's go start. The first definition is by Anne Hagel that say a dialect is almost certainly no more than a local, no prestigious variety of a real language. Doesn't mean a dialect is a variation of the language, then is depend of the localization of the users. For example, in Bogotá, for say the word beer, cerveza, people say chela. And in el eje cafetero, people use the word hola. But does not mean those words have less power. That cerveza. That just means people from different parts of the country use these lexical variations. For say pola, for say cerveza. The next definition is by Charles Ferguson that says agree in defining variety in terms of a specific set of linguistic items of human speech patterns, which we can uniquely associate with some external factors from geographical area or social groups. Doesn't mean that those variations could be also grammatical, and they are associated to a geographical and we say before and a social group. Other example, when we go to the north of a country, La Costa, people used to avoid some sounds in the words. And for example, pero mira pave. In the words para, they don't use all the letters, they don't say all the sounds, and happen the same with the word ver. Difference to Bogota, we can say pero mira para ver. We make an accent in the letter R. Well, in the Costa, people don't say even they don't say this last sound R. The last definition that we are going to say is by Ronald Wathouse, and say dialect is a regional or social varieties of something that is widely acknowledged to be a language. That doesn't mean that it's a language. That means that people, the users, made their own the language. It's the same. They own their language, and these lexical or grammatical variations are or even phonetic variations are part of the same language. For example, Mexico and Colombia talk Spanish, but when people in Colombia wants to say amigo, we can use the word parce. Different way in Mexico, they use the word cuate. And these words characterize where we are. They are Mexican, we are Colombia. And they are part of our local knowledge. People in Colombia, all people around Colombia are going to are going to know what you refer when you say parce. And happen the same in Mexico when they say cuate. Okay. As I said before, all the information was taken by Rodolphe Wathouse, 2006, the book An Introduction to Social Linguistics. Thank you so much for seeing this video. I hope you was really clear, and see you next time.